Me and him can't agree. He now like beard.
You don't like beard. Your beard, the little you.
Nah, beard.
Me tell us I want my wife fooling the cat.
Yeah,
you know, till I flame down the gully, you know.
Boy, man got acid me.
You know my woman.
You know, yeah,
It's
man.
a kill you know. She come here all the while, you know.
Which man that?
Wish you man, you want me fuck when me get me 3 daughters from. And me 2 sons.
Yeah, idiot.
They get broke. And that you me a big man, me no making JP, you know.
Yeah,
a woman will come there with all.
You ever fuck? You fucking a water yet? You ever fuck a water yet, man?
All the way.
Which part you say you fuck? You Isha?
All the way.
Which part?
All in the back way. Every day we fuck all out there.
You too fucking lie, man.
Out there.
Oh,
And no, yeah.
who you fuck out that? You too lie, man. A long time you don't fuck, man.
You know why I fuck again from me tell you? And for me little body can't take fuck now from if you fuck now, well you can broke in there, broke out and you're dead. 2 things me can't get rid of now.
What?
Can't get it from me. And me can't get some blood clot fuck out the pussy.
Why?
You don't get no video on my ass.
Nah,
You come fuck that you can't get video. If you did that turn with that fuck pussy, give me money. When me get the gold, but I kill me. But I get something to buy.
Yes,
Anytime you go to the road, and you that town, and you go buy Dr. Fish.
Of course, me damn pussy. Right now, we on them out the whole of Nicki Minaj pussy. See? All Nicki Minaj tribe, we on them out. Now repeat, we on them out the whole of Nicki Minaj pussy all in tribe. Just because Nicki Minaj a queen. See? We on them out in pussy, because Nicki Minaj pussy clean bad like the ice. See? Me a content creator, and the content creator jeans now me. Of course, we on them Nicki Minaj pussy. You also Nicki Minaj pussy fat. Bumbo clot. John no. Nicki Minaj pussy. I just put midnight and sleep in Nicki Minaj pussy, brother.
Fresh drop.
Me rich, me can yam me pussy, brother. See? And that's why I want to get famous so more. That me can yam Nicki Minaj pussy. Me a work so hard to do.
They must say video go work boy a bill
No
pan the
one
house.
them bumbo clot, they are pussy all them.
They must say a bill pan the house and you don't pay tax and that no right. But
Right.
they must say that no right. You
If you
can't bill pan the house
that I
and
said
pay
to
tax.
that pussy wall. Grab him my car and go live back with them.
They must say a race to go upstairs. Boy a race to go upstairs and you don't pay no tax. How that a work?
Me done with them blood.
I don't know fuck no girl in the house. And
Me not fuck no pussy, cause no boy I fuck them blood clot them.
I thought drink the rum, me say.
Me have to drink the pussy wall.
Tap drink the rum.
Me have to drink it now.
Tap drink the rum, me say.
Me have to drink pussy wall.
Tap drink the rum.
They terrorist me, man. This can't be in love, you know. But me can't quit on a blood
There's
clot.
no take away land for you. There's no take away land.
I got body down tonight to pussy clot this out a body blood clot.
You know what? You're mad. You can't do that. You're
Tell me,
mad.
I body down.
You can't do that. And tap drink the rum go like you're a junkie. A junkie?
Yeah, pussy wall all of me.
Tap go like you're a junkie.
Me and you right, me boy.
So now you and this man you work, man, say your boss, and
So listen, man, I work.
So now you and this man,
I'll be a fuck,
500 odd K there, you know. But if you over here, so over there, so money I make, you know. You have to stick over the side there and just know so over there thing there. You know, I hear that. You have to stick over the side.
Friends, what because when time you pass it, we are running up from me, your friend. We are each up on my bicycle. Look where government road is. Like the idea for mash up what? You know this is from what you mean? Have idea? It's not called anomaly, it's not a vibe problem like this, no. So if me and anyone are talking from the road today, I'm going to have vibe like this. Any day you get the bicycle here, you're dead. I remember me tell you that I'm going to station and say, come on, someone. You know they know, but we can follow you. And we can tell them round there in front of the place. Come like you're a party man. We tell them, say, yo, me not keep money.
I don't know them, man.
You can go up front and you follow back on me. Me and chuck you back on your front. Come.
Anytime you get to you, and that's something like this, you don't mind.
So come from the
Yeah, that's something that we're going to have to get some.
you go overpost it. You go overpost it.
You will see
You
it.
go overpost it. You go overpost it.
So what are you doing?
If you just stop.
I realize most if human content creator them a use the Batty Boy sound. And from them use it, from Rebel use it, Hygiene use it. How no you gone? How no responsible for all them as you know? You love shit in a play business, you know? You love it, you know? You love it in a style, you know? You some quietly and barely, you know? Someone in some quiet Hygiene, some silent Hygiene, some shit in some real shit in a plate, you know? I'm telling you, now, some real germs, you know? Some real nastiness, you know? Because when I use this sound, I know how much thousands of people are following you. I want to know how be an idiot them. I want to remember the children's them.
So what could the nose going to do? And I wipe off all your tongue. How are you going to say?
Well, may I tell you, you see the toilet paper? You as a woman, whenever you piss, do not use toilet paper. You see, I wipes me have to use. The toilet paper come like a magnet for my tongue. The woman pee and she use the toilet paper. And no, me can't get it off of my tongue.
You have to wash off your tongue.
Yeah, man.
Can wipe alone not going to help you. You have to wash off your tongue.
And when me look careful, me not see no toilet paper on the pussy. And when me start swipe, pay teeth to find something. The fucking something hard to come off, it come like magnet, man. You know, man. And if you use wipes, man, wipes cheap. Look how more, see it?
Alright.
If you use wipes, still.
All the while.
Oh, you not like them look again?
No.
Oh, so if
This
me
is your
swipe,
infection.
So if me swipe, you know, no toilet paper.
No toilet
off
paper.
my mouth.
No.
Alright, cool.
Toilet paper give you infection.
Oh, look how more I swipe you now, tomorrow, whenever.
Alright.
Yeah. Over that.
Insult me intelligence. Yeah, morning again, people, viewers and subscribers, business and banky, perisher. Yeah, manners. Yeah, I know me have to come up front to all, thank the people, especially for my hairstyle, my shirt, my jacket, and thank Father God for my energy and my clean heart and my love when I spread and my loyalty and my free-handedness. You know, because more time, I don't know some people, I have to share my things with them.
Yeah.
Because we are human being and them teach me at school at grade 1, say, yo, no man is an island, no man stand alone. You see me?
Yeah.
So me I said the politicians, them are going like them are general. But when we check it deep, them are criminal. Because them take away everything I want more and left me down here so the loot and fire for poor. So that's why me have to say, yo, thanks to my clothes, because I don't want naked, because when I little me used to want naked. For me turn teenager, I don't want not even be back on the road. Yo, them take away everything I want more. Franquita, take away everything I left banky for poor. Take away everything I want all. Me gal a ball, so me a ball. Franquita not different for... Cut.